Hey guys, welcome back to the life of a stay-at-home mom. I'm Kimberly and welcome back to our channel. Guys, I'm so sorry I haven't posted a vlog in so long. In fact, I'm sorry for a lot of things on this channel. I'm so sorry. Before you see this vlog though, you obviously saw the makeup, learning how to do my makeup video that I posted. I'm gonna post that before. I haven't posted it yet, but I'm gonna post it before this. But I'm just really sorry guys. I know I've been so inconsistent. I've just missed this channel, and for that I'm so sorry guys. I really want to do better for this channel and I'll try my best. Anyway, I'm back with another vlog today. This is probably spend a day in the life. We'll see how it goes. So I just woke up. It's like 10 o'clock and I want to run to the clinic. I want to take him out to the clinic. And I want to take my daughter to the clinic. She has, like, her skin has just been going through the most. Like, it's dry and her eyes, I'm gonna insert a clip here. I'm gonna take a video and show you guys. Her eyes are like dry and flaky. Like, yo, it's bad. And I've tried a lot of creams and stuff, but I'm nothing is working. So I think I'm just gonna take her to the clinic now. It's a bit late. It's like 10 a.m. and the clinic knows Zara, but I've been saying this for like the past 3 days and I've been struggling to wake up early. So I'm just gonna go now. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna go now. But first I need to take a bath. So I'm gonna put my water and then I'm gonna go hang clothes. I did washing yesterday, so I'm gonna go hang clothes. But yes, after that, after the clinic, which we'll probably spend most of our day at because it's quite late, I don't know, maybe we'll go into town. I need to grab I need to get my guru. You know, you guys know my guru. My guru is tripe. I feel like eating tripe. So yeah, let's do that and we'll just see where the day takes us. If we don't do much today, then this will automatically be spend a few days in the life. But thank you so much. If you're here watching this video again, thank you so much for coming back. I know I've been such a bad person, such a bad content creator, because I haven't been posting, and I'm so sorry. I hate channels. Like, I hate watching a channel that I really enjoy. Well, to those that enjoy this channel, that I really enjoy, and the person doesn't put much effort into posting, and they go and they come and it's boring. So I want to apologize for that. I really want to do better for the channel, so I'll try my best. But yeah, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You're a real G. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let us go hang clothes. I need to hang clothes first. Good morning. Morning. How did you sleep? Stand here. Jump. Jump. How are you? Come, let's take off our clothes and we'll go batting. Whoops. Are you okay? Stand up. We're batting. Ah! Do you want to go bath with Mama?
Mama.
Yay! guys, we just left the house now and it's almost 12. Ish. Yes, I'm probably gonna spend the whole day at the clinic because it's late now. But yeah, I knew if I don't go today I'll probably just keep procrastinating. So it's something that needs to be done. I forgot to show you our outfits of the day, but there's Kimaya and there I am with my skirt. This is literally my favorite item in my wardrobe, my skirt. I love the skirts. I need to get it in different colors. Anyway, let us go, guys. We'll catch you when we get there.
Is this one some aqua? You can use it as a soap to wash with. We don't have any emulsifying, it's out of stock, right?
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
Mama?
Hey guys. We just left the clinic now. So as I said, I went for Kimaya's skin. They were supposed to give us an aqueous cream and the nurse prescribed an aqueous cream for us and an emulsifying cream. Apparently they don't, they're out of stock with the emulsifying it or something like that. So we only got the aqueous cream. Maybe I'm thinking maybe I should go look for the emulsifying cream in Clicks so I can buy it myself. But yeah, we finished. It's I think about 2 o'clock now, 2-3, and I just want to go into town real quick and get tripe maguru. Guys, one thing about me, I will always carry this towel so I can put Kimaya on my bag. Maya has a stroller and we use her stroller mostly when I'm walking with her father, because when I'm alone I find it a bit inconvenient with the pushing, and especially when I'm walking in a busy place like this, because now I have to carry it upstairs and stuff and all of that. So I rather just leave it instead of making a fool out of myself in town. So yeah, and also she had that carrier, and thanks again to the Akuna family, they got both of the stroller and the carrier for us, but the carrier broke. So I'll always carry this towel so I can put it on my bag. I know it's not aesthetically pleasing and it messes with the drip or whatever, but it's so much more convenient and comfortable for both of us, because now she can sleep, she can properly sleep. And yeah, so yeah guys, that was a little update. We're gonna go into town real quick so I can pick up the maguru, and I think after that we're gonna head home. There's not much else we need to do in town. Also guys, how much has my quality changed? Let me stand in the sun. How much has the quality changed? Do you guys prefer this quality or the quality on my last video? Because I changed my phone. I was using a 12 Pro and then I changed it to a 13. So what do you guys think? I personally liked the 12 Pro, but then this is not so bad actually. Now that I noticed, it's not so bad. So tell me what you guys think, because I don't mind switching back to a 12 Pro. The only reason I got rid of that iPhone 12 Pro is because I broke the screen, and when I replaced it they changed the color, so I didn't like the color anymore. So if you guys want me to go back to the 12 Pro, tell me, but I don't think this quality is bad. Yeah, anyway, there's Kimaya. She's tired now and she wants to sleep. If you see her seeing like this, it's almost time for us to sleep. Catch you guys later. Let's go into town. Guys, I just got back home and I got this. I got it for Kimaya. I've never tried this flavor. I always try the buttermilk, the white bottle. Let me try. Sorry for the noise, guys. Patogara. What? Patogara Takawanda. So please forgive the noise. Let me. It's actually nice also. It's nice, but the difference is the white one has like a vanilla flavor. And I also got this. I love this. Like, I love this. And then the star of the show, the Maguru. I got this for 85 rand. You guys would have seen the place, the shop, if you're in Cape Town and you would like to get some for yourself. But yeah, this was 85 rand. So I'm gonna clean these now and then I'm gonna put them past stove because they take quite a while to get ready. I'm gonna boil them for like an hour or two. And this is our supper, so let's clean them. Eh?
It's my food.
I don't want your food, Kimai.
It's my dada.
It's your sadza, I know.
Mama,
Huh?
I know.
Okay. Yes, wait a girl. Is it nice?
Nice.
You don't eat chili?
Want to eat the chili?
Do you want some?
No.
Good girl.
Mama,
Eh?
what do you know?
Ooh, chili.
Mama,
Hmm?
chili.
Chili.
Mama,
Hmm?
chili.
Ooh, chili.
Mama,
Eh?
eat the chicken.
That's chicken. It's not chicken, my baby.
Mama,
Hmm?
it's Aya.
Eh?
It's Aya.
It's my guru. Maguru. It's my guru.
Yeah. My do you?
Yeah. This baby.
Yes. Mama,
Hmm?
Mommy food.
Yes. Eat your food. Sure.
Hmm? Mama,
No, what you said.
Mama,
Huh?
yeah.
Yeah.
Mama,
Hmm?
yeah.
Yeah.
Look at your tata. Eat. Mama,
Hmm?
it's nice.
It's nice.
Mama,
Hmm?
look, chili.
Chili.
Mama,
Hmm?
I eat it.
Yes, for the she's it. I'm gonna leave this part like this. and not put any music over it so you can see how I interact with Kimaya. I literally asked the whole day, Mama, 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 are you eating? Mama, are you cooking? Mama, what is that? Mama, what is guys? Anyway,
Mama.
Huh? Let us enjoy our supper. Bye. Hey guys, come walk. This is the second day. This is the day after. So now we're going. It's like afternoon already. We're on our way to the pharmacy. Remember yesterday we didn't get the emulsifying ointment from the clinic, so we have to go buy it. So we're just going to the pharmacy quickly. Let's go, babe. And oopsie, and little Miss Kima is walking. So let's go. Ew. Come, we're going there. Yeah. And it's called guys, we just got back home. And honestly, I'm not even sure this is what I was supposed to buy, because the lady at the clinic said I'm supposed to buy emulsifying cream, right? Or emulsifying ointment or whatever. And when I told them at the pharmacy, this is what they gave me. But then she said it was supposed to look like Vaseline, but this one doesn't have that texture of Vaseline. It's like a cream. But anyway, I'm gonna try this on her, and if I see after like a week or two it's still not working, then I'm gonna have to go back to the clinic. Hopefully they will have some in stock. So this is what we got. And then we got lunch. I've been craving the KFC twister, so that's what I got. I got the fries and the twister. Let me see the twister. Yes, the twister. And yeah guys, I think I'm gonna close this vlog here. Hopefully it can make at least 30 minutes, because I don't want to be posting short vlogs, especially since I didn't post in so long. But yes, thank you so much guys for coming back to the channel. I know, as I said in the beginning of the video, it's wrong. I'm very inconsistent, and I hate that about myself.
What is us here?
But I'm definitely gonna try to do better.
Mama.
Thank you so much for watching. Tell me if you'd like to see more of these vlogs. And yeah, thank you so much guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Good morning guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. So today it's morning and I'm on my way to town. I wanted to go and pick up some stuff while Kimaya has her dad at home, because I didn't want to walk with her today. So I'm gonna go. I want to go to this other shop. It's like Shopee Somalian, man, where they sell very cheap plates and spoons and stuff, because I break all my stuff. I'm always breaking my plates, my cups, my glasses. So I want to see if I can pick up a few, because I'm basically out of plates. We literally have like 2 plates that we use. The other ones are too big that we have, so we don't use them. We only have 2, and glasses, I don't even have 1 anymore. And cups to drink coffee or anything, I think I have like 1 with a handle. Guys, it's bad. It's embarrassing. I'm a woman. I should have a full cupboard of cutlery and utensils and stuff, but I don't. So come with me to town. I just got back home and I got a burrito. Well, I got 2, but you can guess where the other one went. You want some? Those are not toys. Okay, guys. So I want to do a little. Sorry. Okay, guys. We just got home. I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. I bought, as you saw, or you didn't see, I bought some plates and cups. The problem with cheap places is you don't have many options, because this is actually very cheap. Because plates are expensive. So first thing, I bought these measuring cups. Kima is playing with them. I think she thinks they're toys because of the colors. Yeah, but I've been wanting to do more baking, so I bought these because I do not know my measurements. And then I got these mugs, but the problem is I couldn't find white ones, white or creamish ones, because that's what I was going for. But this was the next best thing, so I bought 6 of these. And then I bought 2 of these. Just 2, because I break them. As I said, guys, I break stuff, like it's very bad. So I bought 2 of these. And then I bought this pajama set for myself. It was 100 rand in that shop that I always tell you about. I think it's cute. It's like pants and like a top thing.
What's more?
More what?
More pink.
More pink. Where's more pink? I don't know where more pink is.
That's the pink.
And then I bought these because I bought these. My muffin tray got rusty. That's also the other problem with buying cheap stuff. It got rusty very quickly, so I bought these, which they're probably also going to get rusty after like 3 uses. But it's okay. This is temporary, you know. I don't. Excuse me. I'm not planning on staying in this place for long. As soon as we can, we are moving out of this place because I hate this place. And when we do, I think we're gonna leave everything. We're gonna give away most of our stuff, if not everything. So this is temporary. And then I can start buying real proper stuff. And then I bought these bowls. They're white inside, and then they have this very ugly brownish color on the outside. Guys, this was the next best thing. I got these. Okay, the prices, I think this was 22 rand each. Most of the things were 22 rand. This was 22 rand each. I bought 4. The mugs, they were also 22 rand each. I bought 6. This 22 rand. I bought 2. And then we got these glasses. This was 22 rand each. And I bought 6. Let me show you. There you go. So just drinking water glasses, because we don't even have one anymore, because these, they also won't last. Give me 2-3 months. 3 months is a long time. Maybe in 3 months we'll have like 2 or something. I've done such a shopping before where I go and buy a lot of things like this, and everything broke in no time. So I'm just doing this because we need it. Otherwise,
What's a muffin man?
Muffin man. And then there's the mugs. Okay, these are the rest of the mugs. I'm gonna bake you muffins. This is I bought this shampoo because I want to wash my wigs.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
My muffin man.
And then these are the rest of those bowls. And I said I bought 4 of them. And then I bought these plates, dinner plates. It's my I bought 6 of these dinner plates, and that's all, guys. This was also 22 rand. This is also 22 rand, and that's all, guys. That's all my shopping I did today. Hopefully these things last, but I can tell you now they will not. Let me get comfortable.